Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome down to the Light Tonight Festival 2021. We'll be going all the way from tonight up until the 31st of Jan. And if you're hearing this and you want to know what else you can do, make sure you check out the art skin on monuments. It's all around, projected around the Civic District and all of these historic buildings. And you can check out the Victoria Theatre and Victoria Concert Hall. And the art piece there is called Absence of Presence. The new normal brought about by COVID-19 pandemic has had a huge impact on our daily lives and has redefined the very idea of presence. Working from home, home-based learning and virtual performances suddenly became the norm rather than the exception. Despite the increase of isolation and distance, interaction and interrogation are still key to our lives. The work presented here explores how we adapted and are still adapting to this new reality. And close by, the Asian Civilisations Museum has the art piece called Generations. The word generations has two meanings. One indicates creation and birth, while the other refers to a group of people from a period of time with collective experience. In the process of creation, the exchange of shared experiences and histories is pivotal, and weaving together the cultures from past ages creates a new tapestry in the present. And while you're at the Asian Civilization Museum, make sure you check out at the ACM Green, the Asian Civilization Green, that's just right outside the building. By the bridge, there's another art installation called The Way of Seeing by ZAP Collaborations. It invites visitors to peer through the structure of a giant telescope to view one's surroundings through a new frame. In these unprecedented times of these COVID-19, the telescope takes on an additional layer of meaning, aiding in the metaphorical viewing, observing, and savoring of experiences from afar. And once again, you're having a great time here at the Nights and Light Festival, and we hope we apologize for that, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we'd like to remind you that although you're having a great time, please make sure that you guys are carrying out the safe distancing measures. So if you guys are with your friends and your family in groups of 8, make sure you keep at least a meter distance till your next group. And also, please wear your mask at all times and only remove it to eat or drink food and put it back on once you're done. Thank you.